Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Manarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, November 14th, 2017. People, I have a lot to talk about this morning. Let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, it's just after 7 a.m. here on the west coast of the United States. We're seeing some of the same action in the bond market that we saw yesterday at the open. Some entity or entities are in there buying bonds, trying to keep the bond market stabilized. Now, if you were to look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average right now, again, as I am doing this video blog, it's down to about 145 points. Now, I have explained to you that if they don't get this bond market straightened out, if they don't stabilize this bond market, and they're going to go through great lengths to do it, and they're trying right now, and you can see it in real time just by going to my website. Go to my website. In fact, click out of this video and come back to it. Go to my website. There's a link in the description of this video. On the right side of the page, you're going to see a chart of the bond market. And you can catch this right now. You're going to see all the buying. You're going to see a chart there with the green lines, green lines. Who's out here buying this? I mean, think about what's going on here. We're in an environment where the Fed is promising to raise rates. Who would be buying bonds here? It has to actually be the central bank or other banks, just trying to keep the bond market stable. You understand? And I really like you to have a look at it. So again, click out of this video, have a look at that chart, and then come back and watch this so you can have an idea what I'm talking about. So once you finish with that, here we go. Stocks are still under pressure despite what's going on here. You know, some of it has to do obviously with this whole tax thing, but that really isn't what's going on here to a large degree, in my opinion. This is more trouble in the bond market, and the stock market participants, traders like me, clearly understand that you have to look here, not over here, like the mainstream wants you to do. Another thing that is really important that is going on right now, and I want you to think about what I'm about to say. The US dollar right now is under a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. It is falling in value. Okay? Falling in value. Meanwhile, gold and silver, which are priced in dollars, are also falling in value. So what does that tell you? This is faked. It's being faked right now before your eyes. Okay? And this is where you come in once again. It's not too late. Get on the bandwagon with us here who have already filed a complaint with the SEC. I've made this so easy for you. In the description of this video, there is a link to a very short article I wrote. More importantly, in that article is a statement, a complaint that I want you to copy and paste and send to the SEC. Again, in that article is a link to the SEC's website. Why the SEC and not the CFTC? Because the CFTC already knows about the fakery going on here with regard to the metals market and the London gold fix. So we have to look at other alternatives. It's the truth here. All right, look, so I'm going to keep this video kind of short. Again, if you have not as of yet, click out of this video. Go to my website, have a look at that bond market chart, right side of the page, underneath the chat room. Could not be easier for you. And look at the buying that's going on in the bond market right now. They are desperately trying to prop the bond market up because they want to prevent what's happening right now in the stock market. Down 144 points. I would not be surprised to see some entity or entities start buying up the stock market too. Watch the small caps first. That's what they always do. They try to buy up the small caps first. If that doesn't work, they start moving into tech. They'll start buying that up too. And you can see this in real time. It's incredible. It's unbelievable, people, what we're witnessing. The absolute manipulation and twisting of what was once a free market into a managed market. It's incredible. I'm counting on you right now to follow with me and a bunch of us and send that off to the SEC. It's not that hard. It could not be easier. I already wrote out the complaint for you, so do it. I'm really hoping you do. All right, with that, also have a look at the bond market so you can laugh. You can actually sit there and go, look what they're trying to do. All right, with that said, I'm going to shut up. I will see you at the end of the day. It's going to be a very interesting summation, my post-market wrap-up. I almost can't wait to do it myself because I have no idea what's going to happen here. All right, I'll see all of you later. Over and out.